Intel and NVIDIA just announced a massive partnership on that could reshape the future of AI data center and even gaming laptops. NVIDIA is also investing $5 billion into Intel's stock. This news was confirmed directly by the Intel CEO Lip-Bu on his official X account, followed by the press conference later. So let's get into the details. The companies are gonna make two products in this partnership. First product for data center. Intel will build custom x86 CPUs specifically for NVIDIA, which NVIDIA will then integrate into its AI infrastructure, platform and sell. And the second is for personal computing. Intel will build new x86 SoCs with NVIDIA RTX GPU chipset inside. Those RTX SoCs will power off wide range of PCs, combining Intel's CPU strength with NVIDIA's GPU performance, directly targeting gamers, creators, and power users. In other words, Intel gonna sell custom x86 CPUs to NVIDIA, and NVIDIA gonna sell chiplets to Intel. And that was confirmed by the Jason Hung in the press conference. Roll the clip.
With this partnership, with this agreement, we're essentially going to be a major customer of Intel server CPUs. This is the very first time. At the moment we buy CPUs, the ARM-based CPUs from TSMC, and the x86-based PCI Express CPUs are sold openly in the marketplace. In the future, we will buy x86 CPUs from Intel, and we would fuse it with NVLink into our rack scale system. So we're going to become a very large customer of Intel CPUs. The second thing is that we're going to be quite a large supplier of GPU chiplets into Intel x86 CPU SoCs. And so in that particular case, we're going to be a supplier into a market segment we've never addressed. In the server, we're going to be a major customer of Intel's, and we'll integrate it into NVLink 72 and resell CPUs essentially. And so this is going to be a great growth business opportunity for both of us.
And to seal the deal, NVIDIA is making a huge $5 billion investment in Intel, buying stock at $23.28 per share. This shows that NVIDIA isn't just a partner here, it also betting a big on Intel's future. When journalists asked Jason why this investment, he simply replied that he and his company are confident in Intel's future.
Because we thought it was going to be such an incredible investment. This is a big partnership, and we think it's going to be fantastic for Intel. It's going to be fantastic for us. And we're building revolutionary products that's going to address some $50 billion annual market. And so how could we, on the one hand, be excited about the products and how revolutionary they are, on the other hand, not be excited about the opportunities ahead? And so we're delighted to be a shareholder. We're delighted to have invested in Intel.
The companies will focus on seamlessly connecting NVIDIA and Intel architecture using NVIDIA's NVLink technology. This means they want NVIDIA's AI and accelerated computing to work hand in hand with Intel's CPU and the x86 ecosystem. Then what happens to the Intel's Arc graphics card? When asked, Intel released a very short statement. We are not discussing a specific roadmap at this time, but the collaboration is complementary to Intel's roadmap, and Intel will continue to have GPU product offering. Basically, Arc isn't cancelled, but Intel isn't giving us clear answer either. Right now, Intel's Xe3 GPU architecture is still on the track. Any joint Intel-NVIDIA product are probably at least a year or two away. So in the short term, nothing changes. But long term, if Intel CPUs come with NVIDIA RTX chiplet built-in, they could end up competing directly against Intel's own Arc GPUs. The partnership is huge. Laptops with Intel's CPUs and NVIDIA RTX graphics built right into the same chip could be game-changing. Imagine thinner, faster and more powerful efficient gaming laptop and creator machine without needing a big separate GPU. But at the same time, this does raise a doubt about Intel's Arc GPUs. My guess is that Intel will keep Arc alive for budget and mid-range market, while NVIDIA-powered Intel chip take over the high-end. So that's it for today. Hopefully you like the video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this, and I upload a video about B770. You can watch it here. Thank you.